Hey guys, come and do my nails with me. This is my previous set. I had a little accident with my index finger that I caught opening the car door, but it's fine. This is the new set here and I'm going to show you from start to finish exactly how I got this set. So as you can see, I removed my nails off camera and I had very minimal lifting with that Madame Glam gel. So I'm going to start off by using my primer. So this is the Glitter Bells primer and I'm just going to apply that to the nail plate. So I already prepped my nails. I removed the gel, prepped these nails, and I'm just going to go straight in now with this primer. So I'm just applying it to the new nail growth and then kind of pulling it down the rest of the nail plate. So next up, I'm going to go in with my base gel and I'm going to use a scrubbing motion to make sure that this gel is getting into every area of that new growth and also the old product. So all that lovely prep that you just did, you're going to have little etchings on your nail, and scrubbing the base gel in like this is going to help you get the most adhesion out of your nails because it's going to make sure that the gel goes into every little crevice and new area that is exposed. So once that's done, then I'm going to pop it into the lamp for a full cure. So next up, I'm going to go in with Madame Glam's Builder Gel in a pot, the pink one, and this number 6 oval brush. And I'm going to go in first of all with my slip layer. So your slip layer is just like a thin layer of gel, and I'm going to just put it wherever that I put that base gel. So it's going to cover the whole nail plate, and I'm not going to cure this layer. I'm just going to paint it on like you would a gel polish. And then I'm going to pick up a bigger bead just like so. And as you can see, I pick it up and it's kind of on one side of the brush and the other side is going to be a bit flat. So you don't want your product all over the place. You just want to pick it up on one side of the brush and then apply it like this in a side to side motion down the whole surface of the nail. So you can kind of just zigzag it down. Try not to you lose contact with the gel and the brush. And then I'm going to use my detailer brush to go as close to the sidewalls and the cuticles and kind of manipulate the gel around until I am happy with it. So I'm kind of looking through my lamp here. You can see the line of light, and I'm always checking that from every angle just to make sure that the shape is good, because what you want to do is kind of minimize the finish filing at the end. So that's what I aim to do with every gel application, is just like minimize it. And I'm showing you my Haribos there that I was eating in between the nails going into the lamp. So I'm just going to show you 3 nails, I think, of the full gel application, and I'm going to let you watch those. It's the same thing on every nail, slip layer and then a bigger bead. And then I'm going to come back to you for the next part of the design. But I just want to say that I was really impressed with this gel because this set that I removed was the first time I used this gel. And as you can see, there was really minimal lifting. I didn't have to remove a lot of it at all. The only thing that happened was I caught my finger in the door, and that was totally my own fault. So I was super impressed with this gel from Madame Glam, and I can't wait to keep using it. I also want to jump in here and say thank you so much. I appreciate all of you who are watching the videos, and please subscribe if you're enjoying this one so far. We would love to have you, and we're almost at 850 now. I'm so happy. I can't believe it. Thank you so much to everyone who watches and subscribes. I really appreciate you, and yeah, I hope to see you in future videos. So now I'm going to go in with the Sahara Dunes from Madame Glam, and I am going to do 2 coats of this gel polish. It is so nicely pigmented. I probably could have gotten away with 1 coat, I think, but I went in with 2 anyway. But you're going to see it after 1 and 2. So I'm just going to do nice even layers and cure them in between. And this colour is a lovely kind of a peachy colour. So peach is not a colour I often put on my nails, but whenever I do, I love it. So yeah, I'm really, really glad that I popped it on because it's summer vibes as well, and peach is also the colour of the year for Pantone. So yeah, I really liked this colour. So next up, I'm going to go in with this stamping plate from Z Joy. I'm really falling in love with these stamping products lately. This plate is absolutely gorgeous, and also I got their white, and this is the first time I'm going to use the white stamping polish, and it did not disappoint. So I'm going to wipe off the dispersion layer with a little bit of acetone and a lint-free wipe, not too much, just enough to get that sticky layer off. And I'm going to go in with this image right over here. So I'm going to use this on both fingers. So what I did was I pulled out 2 stampers. So I'm only going to have to scrape the plate once because it's quite a long image. So I'm just going to scrape the image and then I'm going to pick it up on 2 stampers and stamp it then. So yeah, basically I was too lazy to be wiping off the plate and cleaning it and doing it twice. So I just scraped it here once and then I picked up one side of it with this stamper and the other end with the smaller one. Because my nails are quite short, I was able to do it this way and it worked out perfectly. I love this stamping plate. If you're a fan of scrolly type images, this stamping plate is for you. It's number 48, I think, and I got it on AliExpress. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my top coat. So I'm just going to do a nice generous amount of top coat on these nails, especially over the stamped nails, so to make sure that there's no pitting and to make sure that the image is covered nicely before it goes into the lamp. And then I'm also going to show you a part at the end where I just do a little bit of finish filing, and it's totally okay to do a little bit of finish filing over a gel overlay because your nails have so much strength in the gel. I wouldn't necessarily do too much of it with the gel polish, but I do it with gel overlay all the time and it doesn't do anything to my nails. It doesn't make them chip or anything at the edges. Just make sure to go underneath the nail when you're doing it, not kind of on top where the gel is. I'll show you anyways in a second because you'll see me going in at an angle with the nail file. But anyways, if you made it this far, thank you so much. I appreciate you and I hope to see you in more videos like this. I'm going to link my original nail set that was at the start of the video at the end of this one, and I'll talk to you soon.